Hello, hi. I'm currently in Makeup Forever Blush Heaven, all the colors. I also right here have this little blush magnetic palette so I can put whatever colors I want in there. So what shall I do? Speak to me. So right off the bat, this one is speaking to me because it's a nice peachy coral color. This one right here is B308. Okay, so this one goes in my little palette. Ooh. I also really like this one, but this one's got a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I'm not sure if I like shimmer in my blush. I just want it on my highlight, so option. Of course. I mean, is this even a question? I need a highlight shade in here. This is H102. So in you go. Okay, and then one more. I'm not really into pink blushes lately, so I kind of wanna... All right, so I think this one right here is speaking to me because it's nice and neutral. Give me a color. There you go. In you go, my little munch. In you go, my little munchkin. Oh! So here's a little palette that I just created myself. There's a bunch of... I really want to swatch this highlight, by the way. I just contacted the winner of my Snapchat giveaway for the Jouer palette right here. Her name is Daisy, and I think she just sent me a message back already. If you did not win this round, don't worry. There's so much more Snapchat giveaways coming up soon. There's a new one coming up today.